In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add the IDM extension to Mozilla Firefox in just a few simple steps. First, open Mozilla Firefox. In the search bar, type IDM Extension Firefox and press Enter. From the search results, open the official IDM extension page on the Mozilla Add-ons store. Once the page opens, click on Add to Firefox. A permission window will appear. Here you can choose whether you want the IDM extension to work in private or incognito tabs. Simply tick the option if you want IDM available in private browsing, or leave it unchecked if you don't. Next, Firefox may ask if you want to pin the extension to the toolbar. Enable it if you want quick access to IDM from the top bar. And that's it. The IDM extension is now successfully added to Firefox. Thank you for watching.